Hello guys, look at me. So I've decided to be selling my homemade popcorn in UK. This is homemade popcorn made with so much love and sweetness. So in this popcorn, I put a little bit of sugar and honey. When you buy this popcorn from me, you expect so much happiness, sweetness in your life. If you eat it, you're going to eat a lot of sweetness, a lot of flavor in your life. Your life will be so sweet. Okay, so guys, patronize me. If you know other business ideas that you have for me as an Anambra girl that knows the worth of money, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be expecting you guys to place your order. Okay, this is homemade popcorn. I'm starting a new business in UK. Please support me guys. Order for your popcorn. Thank you.